Hello everyone, welcome to Cloud Analogy's YouTube channel. Today I will take you through one of my projects where I will discuss the ins and outs of the importing and exporting in Salesforce Inspector. But before moving on to the topic, I will first discuss what Salesforce Inspector is. Let us know about Salesforce Inspector. It is a tool that lets us view the field details, import and export operations from the Record Editor Regional Salesforce. Additionally, the Salesforce Inspector tool has two operations, data export and data import. With these applications, one can raise or throw queries and export data from the recorded account. So moving ahead, we will discuss export data. Here in the record type and drop name, we have two fields, that is subsidiary and global para-angles of a person. In a program, we have both non-program or related to programs client and global strategy. Here, I wrote a simple query to export data from the account object. This way, we can export the data from the account object. Also, we have added filters such as created date, ID, record types, and drop theme. This is how we can export data from the Salesforce Inspector backend. So this was all about the export data. With this, I'll talk about the import data operations. In this application import, we have four actions, that is insert, update, upsert, and delete. First, I'll show you the delete feature, its uses, and how it works. Now I'll go to the delete bar and select a particular object we want to perform. Furthermore, copy the Excel format from the export result and paste it into the data column. So this was all about the action of deleting an object from an account. Let's move on to the demonstration part now. So let me write a query to export data from the account object. So we have written just a simple query to extract data from the account object. We have just written select created date, ID, record type, name from the account where create date is this and customer priority is equal to high. So we have got those particular account create date, ID, record type, and name. So we'll just copy this format by clicking on copy Excel format in our Excel. Let us move towards data import. So we'll just click on operation input and account, and we have to just give the Excel file or CSV file, whatever we have with us. So I'm giving here three accounts with different IDs. I will just paste it here and I'll just click on import. All three accounts have been inserted in our system. Let me copy this Excel format and will keep the Excel file for further use. Let me verify whether the account have been created or not. Let me refresh it once again and I will just go to my account and we'll check. We can see that the account 123, account 111 and account 131 has been created. And you can see the account ID with the same one we have here. You see, these are the account IDs. So I'm just creating a template to insert three of the accounts. But here we'll have to check for the import of an opportunity. We just have to give the account ID. Let me just create it manually from here and we'll be able to verify. Here we have to put opportunity name. The stage is mandatory and we will have to give the stage while creating this account. The close date is also mandatory. These three things we have to give by ourselves. Let me go to set up an opportunity to update and check. For the account names, we have to give the account IDs. Let me give the name of the opportunity Opti114, Opti115 and Opti116. So these are the three opportunities that we will insert and we'll see whether we are able to insert them or not. Let me copy this. We will go to the data import and we will just select opportunity here as we are inserting for an opportunity. An extract column has been added, so let me fix it first, then I will insert it. So we can just click on import with the batch size of 200 with thread 6. You can see all the opportunities has been inserted under the account. Let me verify it. You can just copy this format and you can just keep it in the Excel for further use if you want. And you can just verify in a system whether the particular opportunities have been created or not under my opportunities. You can see 114, 115 and 116 all have been created. As we click on one of the opportunities, we can see that this all has been created. If you want to insert something, we can just give here an update with the name IDs and delivery status. We'll just update the opportunity record. We can just give here the account IDs. You can see the action has been updated. So in this way, we can just update, insert, delete and upsert in Salesforce Inspector through data import. So this was all about the Salesforce Inspector import and export. I hope the video was helpful for you all. Does your company require a useful alternative to the traditional data importing and exporting process? Don't stress when Cloud Analogy is here. We got your back. Our expert excel in providing services related to Salesforce, Salesforce CPQ, Salesforce implementation services, and so much more. Contact us now to explore how our experts would cater to your requirements successfully. Thanks for watching this video.